就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, I'm Joseph Lin. It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. He's actually the lead vocalist of Bicolor, and his name is Cho Lianqing or Kim Chu. He's a father of 4, and he has 2 jobs. One, an occupational therapist, and the other, a singer, and providing therapy through music. In fact, this song, 行过, is his first real attempt at understanding his hometown and through this song to describe the beauty of traditional Hakka villages. Let's take a listen to 行过.
hàng go su ha so liao ke long yin ga han se di lia cao song cao ha đi go he yu ki to nian hàng go se lu bian de oi yin mo chu hàng go tian qiu qing chong mo yin jiao bu han se di lia高呀高处，几多春夏秋冬，比个冬啊西那，比个天地，比个安久多了咪个爱硬地，不管行北行南，行东爱为去，行黑路不怕最上爱转移。比多东啊西啊，都是个名，比个安然都了咪个爱硬地，不管行啊行都爱为，不怕永远的心独立。
来自于竹北的客家子弟邱连青，他是 OK 棒乐团和 iColor 的主唱，曾入围多项金曲奖。而这首歌《行过行过》是他第一次认真的去了解家乡，希望透过这首歌让大家听见客家庄的美丽文化。而且家乡呢，在时代的变迁中产生了许多变化，让他有点感慨，但也有份温暖。
比多东啊西啊，都是个名，比个安然都了咪。不管行啊行都爱为，不怕永远的心独立。
好听的行歌 That does it for today's Hakka song. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.